This toy is remote controlled by these two buttons. You laid an egg! See that? And it has an A on it. So this is a remote controlled puppy. Okay, let's get on with it. Hey, sister, you want to see what's in this one? You get it.
Okay.
Record that. Record it. Record it.
Puppies. Oh, there, Batgirl. Awesome.
Oh, show it to the camera.
Okay. She's kind of freaky because of the big mouth.
Yeah. So come on. She laid another egg.
Awesome.
Oh, Catwoman.
So they're gonna be kind of sisters?
No, they're gonna fight.
Okay, so we're gonna have like a little play for you guys. Right?
No, I am also.
Right,
Wrong voice.
we say
We have to get our voices adjusted. No. Howdy.
Batgirl.
Hi. Wait, I'm not Batgirl. You're Batgirl. Flying.
Alright? Time
Hazel,
for the,
pretend you're
so our
standing
little
in
play is
front of
gonna start now. Alright?
You. And Hazel, pretend she's a giant puppy when she gets down, okay?
Okay, what's your name? Big puppy. Oh my!
It wants to hug.
Catwoman.
Hazel, say I know that voice.
I noticed that voice.
Ha! You should.
Sister.
Another sister! You just say that every day.
I'm sorry, but anyway.
You're not putting me in your remote controlled jail.
Ah! This
I
jail?
scratched your wing. I'm sorry. Now you can't fly.
What about I get you a
Jinx.
whip?
You owe me not fight. Time to use my lasso.
Super speed.
Wait, I need to show the camera something. She has a cat on her feet and a lasso. Lasso. Cat, go and climb. Scratch your face. Now you're knocked out. Pretend you're knocked out.
Okay, go get me in it.
Wrong egg. Hazel.
For some reason, you're better at it than me.
Ha! I caught you. Time to put you over here.
What about catch yourself, Catwoman?
Huh? Ah!
You are a cat, aren't you?
Pretend she breaks open. Remote
Fine.
control. You win
Let me do
this
this.
round. You win this round. Other button. Turn it around. Like that, like that.
That is what you get.
Oh, come on. You are so rude.